Welcome to Kebera Farmer Onboarding Guide. Tutorial 1. Adding your farm. Important note. Kebera tracks one commodity per farm registration. To manage multiple commodities, register each one using the same farm name but as separate entries. That out of the way, let us add your farm to Kebera. Step 1. Navigate to My Farm in the main menu. This will bring up the My Farm page where one can add more than one entity. Click Add Farm to bring up the form for onboarding your farm. Step 2. Select your commodity. Search for or select the product or commodity you produce. This selection is mandatory for proper system categorization. Step 3. Enable location mapping. Kebera requires precise farm location data for produce traceability. Click Get Geolocation. Allow location access when prompted by your device. The system will automatically map your farm coordinates. Step 4. Upload farm documentation. Farm photo. Upload a clear image of your farming operation. Produce photo. Add an image of your primary commodity. These images support digital marketing and verification processes. Step 5. Complete registration. Review all entered information. Click Save to complete farm onboarding. Your farm is now registered for digital marketing and produce traceability. Adding a market stall or register a market stall. Follow the same process under My Stall in the application menu. Your farm is now part of the Kebera platform, enabling automated digital marketing and comprehensive produce tracking. See you in the next tutorial.